ọmọ ẹ̀pẹ́ lára. Yeah, this is Ekpe Farm, guys. Wow, we're finishing it. It should make sense. The camera is bright. So, yeah, guys, you're welcome back to Wabili Concept TV. Guys, this is Ekpe. We are currently in Ekpe Town in Lagos State. Installation is in progress. We are about to install all this AGF interior wooden doors. So this is glass door. This is the normal AGF door. So there are difference in the price, and this is for free on the wall already. So, and this is the main frame of this door, and this is another subframe just to show you what subframe look like. So this is the subframe. This is the frame of the door. It has been installed. So it's just, these are the different look of all these things. So for you that didn't understand the difference between the subframe and the main frame, this subframe will be, and this main frame is now going to be laid on it. Is this subframe that will give the frame, the door, strength to take the load of this door. So guys, let's check this building and see the beautiful look of this project. So this is going to be here. This is the design plan of this house. This is going to be here. So this will be 3 feet. So this is the total look of how this place looks like. So we are still installing. This is going to be 3 feet. This is going to be 4 feet. So these are what we are going to finish our project. We are currently in Ekpe, in Lagos State, guys.
Ekpe Alaro.
Ekpe Leja. Ekpe Alaro kò mọ ẹgbẹ́. Ṣé Alaro ló ń pè? Okay, wọ́n lọ fi pa Alaro City. Okay. So, guys, if you want your wooden door, we can do it for you. So, this is one of the rooms. We have one of the room here. This is AGF door. This is another room door. And this is another room door. Wow, and it's coming out nice and beautiful. Hi guys, this is Wabili Concept. This is another project. Ekpe Lawanan, another project in Ekpe location precisely. So this is the kitchen door. Check. We are here some time ago. Now all are fully installed. So then back. So let's go upstairs.